Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can scan QR codes on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. So there are two ways to scan QR codes. The first one is by using the camera, and then in the photo mode, if we have the QR code, it should be quickly detected and we should see the link or the address of the website generated with the QR code. In order to make sure that this works, we need to open the camera settings, and here we should have the QR code scanning option, which can be enabled and disabled. So make sure that it is enabled in order to scan with the camera. Another option is by using the QR code scanner in the quick access. So if you open the quick access, over here you should be able to find the QR code. So I have mine over here. I can press this button in order to open the camera, and then we should immediately scan the QR code. Now, in case you don't have the QR code option in the quick access, and then you can press these three dots in the top right corner and then choose edit tiles, and then over here in more tiles you should be able to find the QR code. So let's say I'm gonna remove this one, and you can simply tap on the tile in order to add it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.